Today we're going to unbox a WorkForce Pro WF-C579R. On the top tray we have all our starter inks, along with catch tray, power cord, and optional fax instructions in different languages, stickers. Pull the tray out of the way. Now, these things compact very well. There's almost zero chance of damage. There's about 6 to 7 inches from each wall. The covering piece. And it makes it even easier to set up, so you don't have to dig in there. It comes with its own tote. We'll seat it on the table for now, so we're ready to fully unbag it and get it to where it needs to go. These bags are nicely built, and they have the breathing holes in case choking, suffocation, any animals crawl in there, they'll be able to breathe. Seating is fairly simple. Have to find the studs and the seating of it, and that was luck on one side. Done. So it sits there. So now we start with the wrapping tape. Tray supports for shipping. Bump stops. Document feeder. Paper path. Guide shift. These secondary tapes are for flipping up the carriage, scanner, and here's the release of the print head. Close it down, straighten up onto the paper feed tray. Put this over to the side. Now we're in the ink chambers. The hidden compartment here, maintenance box, aka waste ink tray. Now we go to starter cartridges. Catch tray and power cord. These particular bladders, or may look like IV bags, only have starter ink. The ones that go after these, the bag is full. The good part about these cartridges is that this particular cartridge has no setting in where it can go. Put it in here, here or here. What distinguishes where it can go is the keying of the cartridge there. Once you put it on there, it will not let you go past. So this is the only one that fits there. And if we forget where they go, there's always these nice stickers here that tell us. Last but not least, the black for this particular one is a much bigger bag than what is shown here. And you can have extra bags sitting here as storage trays. Normally when you're dealing with certain brands, the guide's always in the back. But this particular one feeds from the rear, so your guide will be positioned up front. And this is your side to side. Letter R is the preferred method of feeding. They also threw in is quite a bit of a change. You have the tri-cylinder plug-in instead of your normal D-slotted. Only fits in one way. Also back here, we have your fax. This particular unit comes with a fax already. You have your USB, and we have your network port. Out in the back, is for when and if paper ever gets caught. Best part of this machine is that you don't see a fuse or a transfer belt. Now you go through your prompts, which this little screen is touchscreen. Time format. At this particular point, you can choose to register to your account. But if a dealer set it up, then we already register it so we can hold a warranty on it. At this particular time, I'll hit no. We'll just say it's 1 o'clock. Now it's asking for my starter cartridges. Everything's ready to go. We hit OK. This particular time, the machine will start purging the air from the system. They are tested with a gel, non-colored gel. The only time it does this is upon original setup. That is the vacuum pump, pulling all excess gel out of the tubes so it can be flushed with ink. The screen can be adjusted several different methods just in case you glare, you can't see. One of the problems there are no communication with your printers could be that your ends are broken or the clip is no longer springy. That guy goes in an Ethernet port, clicks, and locks in. This is its brother. See how much more spring that one has? Through time, from pulling on these cables, they can be wore down or even break. And that may be the reason why there is no connection.